These sound similar, baby and toddler, but they are not the same. She has a baby. This sounds natural. Her toddler is learning to walk. This also sounds natural, but they do not mean the same thing. So what is the difference? A baby is very young. It is the stage from birth to about 1 year. A baby cannot walk. A baby needs full care. But a toddler is different. A toddler is older. They are about 1 to 3 years old. A toddler can walk, sometimes run, and sometimes fall. A toddler is active and curious. So here is the key. A baby cannot walk. A toddler can. Same family, different stage. Use the wrong one, and it sounds off.